Once again, good morning, everyone. This is for the instruction for our assessment activity for today, um, May 8, 2025. So there is part 1, part 2, and part 3 of your assessment activity. If you can read now, you can open your assessment activity docs file. Part 1 would be done as your written assessment for today. Part 2, you would make an individual or group. You just have to choose kung ahaman ka, kung mas comfortable ka individually or by group. You do it by group, no? And part 3, your reflective essay about the topic for today, no? So, balik ta sa part 2 for your practical activity, group or individual. Inanhi akong gusto mabuhat to. In tune of the incoming election, no? You would um you would try to make a election persona. So when I say election persona, kanang maghimo ta og personality sa election, no? So maghimo mo og project management or program nga maka kontra sa mga election sabi na siya, election personality sa saan. O ana ta kay para makarelate ang tanan, di ba? So we have for mayor naman ta si Hardin. And kinsa gila ito, sir? Sa mayor? Rabago. Mura na sila duha. So duha, no? So candidate Rabago and candidate Hardin, no? So maghimo tag third person. So kung maghimo mo third person sa election, unsa iyahang platform or programs that kanang i-offer niya nga siya ang inyuhang butaran. So ina na ang atong project management, no? You create a persona first, election persona that would kanang somehow win, no? Against Hardin and your Rabago. Mm. So inanha ang ato ang pakulo karon. So make a comprehensive lugar. For example, kuan kung maghimo ta og kuan si maghimo tag personal lugar si kuan si Kadikdik, mundagan si Kadikdik TV sa kuan pagka mayor sa Hasaan. So ang akong program, one of my program would be Siga Hasaan, One Hasaan. O ano, di ba di ba na known ang Hasaan nga ngit-ngit? O karon ako pa-program sa Siga Hasaan, o di ba? So dili na mangit-ngit ang Hasaan, di ba? One Siga, One Siga, One Tubig na mga anan programs for women, programs for senior citizen, LGBT, sayang pa program karon nga unsa may ika-offer para siya ang inyong iboto nga future mayor of Hasaan. So inanha siya. So if you can think of other options and programs nga makapadaog sa inyong electoral persona, then you may do so, no? So it would be done individually or by group. So kamo na ang bahala. So that would be all, and later on today mag-share rin ko og drive para dadto ninyo i-submit ang inyong assessment activity. So that's all, and bye-bye.